The U.S. Army is approaching a pivotal moment in the evolution of its armored forces with the imminent arrival of the first prototype of the M1E3 Abrams tank, expected by the end of 2025. This next-generation main battle tank represents a deliberate shift away from incremental upgrades of existing platforms toward a fundamentally new design philosophy, reflecting both lessons learned from contemporary conflicts and projections of future battlefield requirements. The M1E3 is positioned to replace the current M1A2 SEPv3 and SEPv4 variants, bringing a combination of advanced mobility, survivability, and digital integration that has been largely absent in earlier Abrams iterations. Its development underscores the Army's recognition that future armored warfare will demand platforms that are not only physically robust but also digitally agile, capable of operating effectively in increasingly complex and networked combat environments. The historical context of the Abrams tank program provides insight into the significance of this new model. The M1A2 SEPv3, initially envisioned as the latest iteration of the Abrams line, was cancelled in 2023 in favor of pursuing a more ambitious approach. This decision indicates a strategic assessment by the U.S. Army that traditional incremental improvements were no longer sufficient to address emerging threats and technological trends. Instead of continuing to rely on a platform designed decades ago, military planners opted to conceptualize a tank that could serve as the foundation for armored warfare in the 2040s. In doing so, the Army has embraced a vision that anticipates evolving threats, including long-range precision strikes, sophisticated electronic warfare, and the increased use of unmanned systems on the battlefield. One of the most notable aspects of the M1E3 program is its emphasis on weight reduction and mobility. Historically, the Abrams series has been known for its heavy armor and substantial weight, which while providing impressive survivability, also limited strategic and operational mobility. Modern conflicts, particularly those observed in Ukraine, have highlighted the operational challenges faced by heavy armored vehicles in diverse terrains. Tanks must now navigate urban areas, forests, and difficult logistical environments while maintaining speed and operational flexibility. By reducing weight without compromising protection, the M1E3 aims to enhance tactical mobility, allowing forces to maneuver more efficiently and respond rapidly to dynamic combat situations. This focus on mobility reflects a broader shift in military thinking, where agility and adaptability are increasingly valued alongside traditional metrics of armor and firepower. The M1E3's technological architecture also marks a significant evolution. The tank is expected to incorporate a hybrid propulsion system, a feature that promises both operational advantages and logistical benefits. Hybrid systems can improve fuel efficiency, reduce thermal and acoustic signatures, and provide additional power for integrated electronics and auxiliary systems. In the context of modern warfare, these features enhance a vehicle's ability to remain operationally effective while reducing vulnerability to detection and targeting. Coupled with an automated ammunition loading system, the M1E3 exemplifies the trend toward leveraging automation to increase combat efficiency, reduce crew fatigue, and optimize response times in high-intensity engagements. Such technological innovations indicate a deliberate effort to integrate lessons from contemporary armored conflicts, where reaction speed and system integration have become decisive factors. Survivability remains a central pillar of the M1E3's design, but it is approached with a more nuanced understanding than in previous Abrams iterations. Rather than relying solely on heavy armor, the tank is expected to utilize active protection systems designed to intercept incoming threats, such as anti-tank guided missiles and rocket-propelled grenades. This layered defense strategy allows for a lighter platform without significantly compromising crew safety. Furthermore, the integration of advanced digital systems suggests that situational awareness and networked operations are increasingly central to armored warfare doctrine. Sensors, communication systems, and battlefield management technologies enable real-time data sharing, target acquisition, and coordinated responses, effectively transforming the tank from a purely kinetic weapon into a node within a broader, networked combat ecosystem. This approach reflects a recognition that modern conflicts will increasingly favor platforms that are as digitally capable as they are physically resilient. The development of the M1E3 is being led by General Dynamics Land Systems, building upon insights gained from the Abrams X prototype. While the M1E3 is not a direct continuation of the Abrams X, several technological innovations from that project are expected to influence the final design. The Abrams X served as a testbed for advanced mobility, hybrid powertrains, and digital integration, providing valuable empirical data that informs the M1E3 program. Leveraging prototype technology in this way accelerates the development cycle while mitigating risk, allowing engineers to refine concepts in controlled environments before committing to large-scale production. This iterative approach demonstrates a careful balance between ambition and pragmatism, ensuring that the M1E3 is both innovative and operationally viable. Strategically, the introduction of the M1E3 represents more than just a hardware upgrade. It signals a shift in how the U.S. Army envisions the role of armored forces in future conflicts. With adversaries increasingly investing in advanced anti-tank systems, electronic warfare, and drone networks, the Army's armored units must evolve to maintain relevance. The M1E3's combination of mobility, active protection, and digital integration directly addresses these challenges, enabling tanks to operate effectively in contested environments and sustain operational tempo against sophisticated threats. Furthermore, the program demonstrates an understanding that armored warfare will not occur in isolation. Tanks must interact seamlessly with infantry, artillery, aerial assets, and unmanned systems, necessitating robust networking and interoperable systems, a requirement that is central to the M1E3's design philosophy. The projected operational timeline of the M1E3 also offers insights into the Army's forward-looking planning. By developing a platform intended for deployment in the 2040s, the Army is signaling its commitment to long-term strategic foresight. This contrasts with previous programs that often focused on near-term upgrades, highlighting a more holistic approach to capability development. Preparing for future warfare requires anticipating technological trends, potential adversary capabilities, and evolving operational doctrines. The M1E3 embodies this principle by integrating modular systems, advanced electronics, and scalable technologies, ensuring that it remains adaptable as threats and battlefield conditions change over time. From a broader perspective, the M1E3 program underscores the enduring importance of main battle tanks in modern military doctrine. Despite predictions that armored warfare would decline in the face of missile, drone, and cyber threats, tanks continue to provide a unique combination of firepower, protection, and psychological impact. The challenge for the U.S. Army is to modernize this platform to meet contemporary requirements without losing the fundamental strengths that have defined armored forces for decades. The M1E3, with its blend of mobility, survivability, and digital sophistication, represents a strategic effort to reconcile these competing priorities, ensuring that tanks remain a relevant and potent component of combined arms operations. In conclusion, the introduction of the M1E3 Abrams tank represents a significant evolution in armored warfare, reflecting a deliberate departure from incremental modernization toward a more ambitious, forward-looking platform. By prioritizing weight reduction, hybrid propulsion, active protection, automation, and digital integration, the M1E3 addresses the lessons of recent conflicts while anticipating the demands of future battlefields. Developed under the guidance of General Dynamics Land Systems and informed by prototype experimentation, this tank exemplifies a careful balance between innovation, operational feasibility, and strategic foresight. As the U.S. Army prepares to field the first prototype by the end of 2025, the M1E3 promises to redefine the capabilities and role of armored forces, ensuring that tanks remain a decisive element in the evolving landscape of modern warfare. Its development reflects a recognition that the next generation of conflict will require platforms that are not only heavily armed and armored but also agile, digitally integrated, and capable of meeting the unpredictable challenges of the 21st century battlefield.